After being a little sidetracked with the removal of the oak beam so that Brian could crack on with the arch, we were back on the pointing of our new living space. It was cold and it was wet outside, but we were in good spirits as we were making good progress, and the pointing made it feel much more like a home.
I'm very excited. This is our new sprayer, and it has got some power behind it, which is fantastic. Annoyingly, this piece of wood won't come out, but the other ones have, which is great. And then just really important to wet the stone, otherwise it will not bind as it should, and then it will just end up crumbling out. So there isn't much muck left, so I'm actually worried I'm not going to make it to the end, which is really frustrating, but I don't want to make a whole new batch just to end up having to throw that away, so because I don't want to be up at 2 in the morning, which already I think it's going to be 1 in the morning at this rate. Yeah, so I just need to get myself a hammer. Yeah, so this wall over here is done. I just need to scrape it and brush it. This one I'm in the process of mucking up. Here, that much to do. Not much muck left. More than that, but this is my last bucket. Last bit potentially. Might just get away with it. And probably. That literally is it. I think we might get away with that. Just need to now scrape it all down, see how we're getting on here. Oh, wait, that's already gone off. Nicole working her pyromaniac magic again. So much debris and stuff from the garden, but also some of the work we've been doing as well. So anything that we can't reuse and that didn't need to necessarily be chucked.
Sail on off the radar and venture away from this. Trouble, it will find you. It's behind.
How's it going?
It always is.
All the wind's changed a bit, but still going the right way.
Yeah. Hey, Baba.
Are you pleased with progress?
Yeah, no, it's going very well, but I just wish we could get more down from the other big pile, because that would be super helpful.
But I mean, if you're happy to look after him for a bit, I can try.
Yeah? Yeah, we can sit in the grass. He needs a hat and he needs...
Oh, he's got his hat here.
Oh, fabulous.
We were just...
Unfold from my mind, I don't want.
So it's good that I bought some extra acro props, isn't it?
Well, I know that.
Could never have too many at this rate.
Especially with that, well, as I say, we realise the weight of that oak.
Yeah.
It's been a bigger beam. And so it's better kind of...
And the good news is I think you're almost over the wall there underneath. There's a stone wall there.
Forgets everything that's true. Feels like I've ran into 1,000 shades of blue. From holding holding on to somebody like you. You're here in every
Starting to get an idea of the size of the arch. Looking really good. Sterling work.
I'm returning the table. I refuse to let you unfold from my mind.
What do you think, Nicole?
It looks phenomenal. Absolutely brilliant.
All thanks to this guy over here.
Yeah.
Whilst Nicole's been doing the gardening and Brian's been building up our arch, which is looking amazing. Well done, Brian. I've been attempting to build a chest of drawers. I mean, it eventually makes sense, but some of the drawings you just think, really? Could you not have done that in a better format? Anyway, we got there. Just need to do the drawers now. This small thing, although it might seem insignificant, is going to make us such a difference. We're currently really struggling for space with a little one, and we just needed something that was going to make it a little less cluttered. So we're really, really glad that we took the option to buy one of these, and I'm not really sure why we waited 10 months, but anyway, it's better late than never, right?
So, the idea is that we'll assemble all that's down here, I'll peg it, and I'll try and winch it up like that because it's going to be much easier.
Oh, Noah. First loves die hard, I see. Clearly Dan's efforts are way more impressive than me building a flat pack chest of drawers.
Starts to stop all the movement on all the other bits of the frame, and the more I add now, the stronger this thing is going to get.
Up early the next day, and someone was back in the good books with his parents, it seemed, after yesterday's treasonous behaviour. And Brian was back on the arch. It's such a pleasure watching him work and the skill involved in shaping those stones and then slotting them together like a jigsaw puzzle.
And then that just chips off. That's the theory. I mean, in that respect, oak is stronger than stone, isn't it? Because I mean, even if you'd left that much of a bit of that in the oak, it wouldn't have budged, even with a little bit of. It's interesting.
This morning I miss you. I feel it
In amongst it all, we had a wonderful visit from our good friend Dan and his partner Michael.
opened my eyes, I was feeling so empty inside. New York looks different without you. I find that all that I want to do is close my eyes, breathe and try to feel close to you.
Yeah, so I'm not entirely sure how or why, but there seems to be water coming from the ground. The problem is it's been raining non-stop for days, and I mean, we know it's been so much stuff because, well, I mean, it's still raining now. I will do. But yeah, I mean, we've literally got a moat out there, which is insane. The water's just not clearing, and the ground is so waterlogged. But I mean, in theory, it should not be seeping up into here. The only thing I can think of is if it's at the juncture of where they poured the cement to the step, and then in between there, and it's managed to seep somehow between there.
Yeah.
What's he doing?
Yeah, but I mean, yeah, as we said, water will find a way.
Yep. Doesn't really matter. We can do it afterwards.
Okay.
I've been walking around.
So what's happening?
Oh yeah, mine's fine
Thinking
actually.
about this distance and how
Yeah, we've, this is the other side of the Jeep. So you can see there, water level way up by the oil pipe. And all the way around here, and you'll see causing leakage here. Thankfully we've not damaged anything, which is good, but that is clearly an issue which we need to think about and figure out the solution to.
Great. Oh, okay.
I think first things first though, I'm just going to go through the print to get rid of the standing water.
Just
This is the last thing we need. Hey, Papa. Are we just standing here filming each other?
What's that?
It's getting quite fast, isn't it?
It is.
Can I dig a little bit? Because I mean, the digger we dig, the deeper we dig. I mean.
The further it goes. I mean, it is quite deep if you look. I mean, it's still got loads and loads of depth to go.
I know, but
Let's do it. Okay.
but I feel so close to you. So move.
Does it come down a lot? Yeah. Nicole's doing a sterling job. So it means that water will start backing up, which is probably what's happening. Yeah, okay with that one? Yeah. He seems happy.
Aren't we?
We're done for them.
We are. No more tears. No more tears.
Well, he's like, what on earth is going on here?
Daddy's filming. He's holding on though.
For dear life.
Hey!
take a video of the woman working in the 3-4 minutes.
Hey, I was doing it initially. You then said you wanted to take over.
I'm holding the baby.
Yes, it is. Wait a second. Here we go. Michael, come on in. Excellent. Meanwhile, maybe this is a bigger issue than we think it is, because once we've terraced this and the water just pours out this way anyway, so it's not then hanging here.
Because you'll have an angle on.
Yeah, it will all just head into the garden. This will go. So this won't be here anymore, and it will just
And all
gently.
you'll have little built-in channels in
Yeah.
between maybe.
Well, I'm going to build in a channel here anyway, but when we've got a thingamajiggy coming through, so
Yeah.
we'll have and that will just, and then we'll build in channels there. I mean, look, we've got a little river going.
There's still so much water.
It's insane, isn't it? Good job, Nicole.
But I think we need to kind of continue so it doesn't just start pooling.
I mean, that land there is already less sodden, so it's going to soak it up a lot more quickly. Sometimes. So hoping that by taking this water out, things will improve next door as well. Although interesting that the water at the top
Although that was quite low down, wasn't it? So I'm wondering that's roughly the same level as this now. What do you reckon?
I'm hoping so.
Thankfully, the sun was soon shining again, and the leak was soon forgotten, not least because Noah was keeping us enthralled with his new tricks.
Baba, are you waving? No. Are you waving? Can you wave again? Oh, look at you go.
And not content with just clapping, Noah's learned to stand on his own 2 feet.
Regarde là-bas. Est-ce que tu nous vois? C'est difficile à dire, la vie sans toi. Est-ce que tu y crois? Je ne sais pas écrire. Tu